Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing a breakfast with me video. So we'll be making some pancakes, bacon, sausage links, and some scrambled eggs. So I've got some bacon here. I normally buy the streaky bacon. It reminds me of the American one. The ones that's cut from the loin, I find them too salty. So I always try and find one that has the least amount of salt. Got some dry cured thin crispy bacon, some Italian style sausages. I've got eggs. I've got some sugar, salt, baking powder. I'll list the measurements in the description box below. This is for my eggs, stock of scallion, and some red chili. I've got some melted butter. Well, 3 eggs, 2 for the scrambled eggs and 1 for the pancake. 1 cup of milk. Then I've got some garlic powder, salt, and pepper. We're going to start off by putting our sausage links in the oven. I'm going to bake these for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm just going to do one. Our sausage. So I'm going to put this in the oven. I've got the oven preheated. We're going to mix our pancake. I'm going to start off first with my wet ingredients. Then I'm going to put in our milk. I've got my melted butter. Make sure your butter is cool, guys. You do not want to add hot butter to eggs. That's our sifted flour, and then I've got our salt, sugar, and baking powder. I'm just going to mix this together. Let's do our eggs. A little bit of scallion and red chili. I've removed the seed and rib. It just gives it a nice color and spice. Add some black pepper, some salt, and a little bit of garlic powder. We're going to do our eggs at the very end when we've finished cooking everything else. I'm going to put the pancakes in the oven to warm. When they're done, I'm going to put some maple syrup. I'm just using pure maple syrup. In the UK, they're not big on pancake syrup. This works fine for me. I'm going to fill our little sauce pot and put it in the oven to warm. That way we have nice warm syrup for our pancake. Put this in to warm, and then we're gonna go over to the stove and we're gonna fry up 3 pancakes. The remaining batter I'm just gonna put in a tight sealed container, store it in the fridge overnight. I don't like to heat leftover pancakes. I prefer to make them fresh. Got our pan heating up. Let's just add some oil, just enough to fry our pancakes. So we're going to let that heat up. Let's put our pancake batter in. We're going to attempt to try and get these the same size. I know that's going to be highly unlikely, but as close to the same size as possible. Okay guys, they're starting to bubble. You just want to fry these until they're golden brown. We're turning the stove off now. Yeah, that's good. Guys, we're just adding the pancake to our pan with our syrup. We're going to keep this in the very bottom of the oven because it doesn't generate a lot of heat, just to keep them warm. And then we're going to go and add our bacon. Guys, that's our sausage. It's almost done. We're just going to add our bacon. These aren't going to take very long to cook because they are thin. Spray them with a little bit of oil. So we're going to put these in the oven. We're going to cook them for about 5 minutes, and then once they crisp up, they'll be done. We'll get started on our eggs. Last thing we've got to do is our eggs. Spraying this with extra virgin olive oil, then adding some unsalted butter. We want to wait for our butter to get nice and bubbly. We're going to add our eggs. Okay, we can see your eggs are starting to set at the bottom. So just going to move the cooked bit to the center. We're going to let the rest of our egg cook. I like my eggs done but still soft, so near the end I'm going to turn the stove off and then we'll just let our eggs cook on its own. Okay, so I'm turning the stove off. Good. So that's it, guys. In the next clip we'll just go and plate up. We've got our pancake, bacon, sausage link, and our warm syrup. Got some brandy butter. So it's really popular in the UK around the holidays. They have this with Christmas cakes or mince pies. But Jessica is going to have it with pancake. It is a sweetened, unsalted butter with French brandy. So let's plate up, guys. Okay, we're going to spoon on some of our warm syrup. Okay, let's put on some strawberries. That's our sweetened brandy butter, guys. Okay, our bacon. Then we've got our sausage link. Guys, our breakfast is looking so good. Look how good everything looks. So guys, that's our making breakfast with me today video. We've got Italian style sausage link, some crispy bacon, scrambled eggs, and some fluffy pancakes with brandy, butter, and maple syrup. Just to show you the remaining of my batter, I put it in a tight sealed container. I'm just going to store this in the fridge. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up to show that you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!